get a few idea, and there is no sound, so don't worry. See the movement of the ball, and the ball shape doesn't remain the same. It stretch when it bounce on the floor. So look into the details, because many of the students are not looking at the details. They are just making which doesn't look real. See how the ball is bouncing, how the speed increase when it fall from up to down. Down the speed get lower. Okay, it get less. Okay, this is the only thing I want to show you. Look, focus on the main thing, how it's bouncing. Okay, now I'll show you on my screen how we can do that. Wick editor, see how students are sending, but still the movement is very quick. So what we are going to do, we'll just write down Wick editor, just few things that we are going to introduce today, how to add images and how you can manipulate. When you click on the screen, click on the link, your screen will get open, click on create. It's online, so it will take time to load. Look, try. I don't want to use the previous work, so I'll say delete. This is your main canvas or working area. These are the tools. Okay, these are your frame, and I'm keep on asking you to minimum 20 frames I need. Don't send me 2 frames, blah, 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 and send me. Doesn't look real. So this time what we are going to do is we are going to use those objects. Now, you are in this frame. First thing is to change the color. This is the wheel. We'll discuss all this in the last class, but only thing is just change the color of the background. Take the color and apply. Done. Now, we are going to use the shapes. You can see we have on the palette is there, on your top, the toolbar is there, brush is there, pencil is there. You can use the pencil to make that stick man even. And then eraser, and these are the shapes. Now, today we are going to use those shapes. I'm taking circle, and then I'm going to draw it on my screen. Now, as you can say, it's a black in color. I want to change the color. You can see here, you just click here, take any color you want. I'll take this or red, any color, and then say okay. When I drag it, it will appear on my screen. Now you can see the other one is there. The stroke is even given. Now how you can use that stroke means the outline. I want to change the outline. Right now it's in black. I'll make it blue. I'll say okay. When I draw this, you can see a tiny, no, it didn't change. It's still black. Haha. Blue. Done. Now it's changed. So I can change this. The outline is blue. But if you want to change the thickness, next to this, there is a number. You can change the thickness. See, I can make it more bigger just to show you. Then I'll try. See. Okay. So we can manipulate by using those options. Now, do remember, if I want to delete any of these, this is my final product. I don't need this. Make sure you click on this cursor, because this is the cursor used for manipulating. Select this, delete that, select this, delete that, select this, delete that. Now this is my final. I'll use this. Now, there is one more option. You can see right now it is there on one more shape is this, and this is this. Now, if there is no other option left for the shapes, you have this much only. But there is
The
one
screen
very good thing. Everyone's screen is frozen or your screen only? Everyone can see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen
Yes,
also.
Okay.
it's frozen.
Okay, for you
Yes, your
only, just
screen is
go out.
visible.
It's visible. Those whose screen is frozen, go out and come back again. Don't worry, the lesson is getting recorded. If you miss anything, you can see it again. Now,
Okay,
one
Miss
thing,
English, can you let us in?
first go out, no, then only I'll go let you in. Okay, so what you're going to do is, now there are two options of shapes only, but there is one more thing is there which is very, very good, is this one, cursor path. Click on this. If you want to manipulate now this, you can do whatever you want to. Now you need to be very innovative to use that path one. Okay, you can do whatever you want by using this thing. There is not much things are there, but with using this thing only, you can try making different shapes. Okay, now it's up to you how you're going to use it. I told you the tool how you can use it. Now this is the one after drawing the shape. Rest of the thing, you know how to do it. Select all of them. Suppose I need to use all of them. I gave you the idea. I will copy this. I'll move to the next frame. I'll paste those things. I want to move a little bit. I'll drag it a little bit because all are selected. I can't see where the next one. So click on onion skin. You know what it is. Use those handles to make it smaller. Copy this, go again to the next frame, paste it. This is just the techniques I told you. You are going to be innovative and going to draw the objects and show me. Okay. Again, don't send me 3 frames. This is, I don't want to waste your time. So I just gave you the idea. So today, use the shapes. You can do it bouncing ball. You can do any object. You can make the manipulation. Use those tools to manipulate thing, and then send me your work. Export. Please, some of the students sending me GIFs file. Please send me the GIF file. Click on animation and export GIF. Don't send me the web link. It won't work. Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Open your task sheet and see. Go to Padlet. Very good. Go to Padlet. Check your task sheet.